Bulls and Goat. Once upon a time, in a picturesque village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a wise old farmer named Samuel. Samuel was known throughout the land for his sagacity and compassion. He owned a quaint farm that boasted a variety of animals, but his prized possessions were his two majestic bulls, Thunder and Lightning, and a nimble-footed, spirited goat named Daisy. Thunder and Lightning were the epitome of strength and power, their mighty frames instilling awe in all who beheld them. They were diligent workers, tilling the fields and pulling plows with unwavering determination. In contrast, Daisy, the goat, was small and sprightly, always bounding around the farm with an infectious energy. One fine morning, Samuel decided to sow a new crop, one that required the strength of his bulls and the nimbleness of Daisy. He harnessed Thunder and Lightning to the plow, and with Daisy leading the way, they set off towards the field. The villagers gathered, curious to see how this odd trio would work together. As the day wore on, Thunder and Lightning put their brawn to good use, pulling the plow with precision. Daisy, with her quick steps and sharp instincts, guided them through the furrows, ensuring the lines were straight and the soil well turned. Days turned into weeks, and the trio worked tirelessly. The farm flourished, and the crop grew abundant and lush. The villagers marveled at the beautiful sight and commended Samuel for his ingenious approach. One day, as the work came to an end, Samuel gathered the animals and spoke to them. "You have all shown me the power of teamwork and the strength in diversity. Thunder and Lightning, you have demonstrated your might, and Daisy, your agility and intelligence have been invaluable. Together, you have achieved greatness." The moral of the story is that true strength lies not just in physical might, but in the ability to work together, complementing each other's strengths and compensating for weaknesses. This is the essence of teamwork. Furthermore, the story teaches us the value of recognizing the unique qualities and contributions of each individual. It's easy to overlook someone based on their appearance or size, but true wisdom lies in appreciating the talents that lie within, no matter how unconventional they may seem. And so, Thunder, Lightning, and Daisy continued to work harmoniously on Samuel's farm, a living testament to the power of unity and the wisdom of recognizing the potential in every individual, no matter how different they may be. The village prospered, and the tale of the bulls and the goat became a cherished fable, passed down through generations, a reminder that together, we can achieve greatness.